Nyine kwa mwege toga sinyo my friend tigana nere
pisi nyiri ntwanja ine nere.
Muganchana?
Na yo go chako kweso yorra ta go kwanja no koraki.
Na te mwege kwasi.
Ngo mwege muntu na mwege takare kare.
Mwatiganete.
Bona ayo kwarra na go tere no na tigana na go tuko nkia yo komunya kare goja. Na go tuko.
Mama ite binto kwa mate bina bibia tibia
ga mate bina ngi gari na kwana.
Kone mwakwane kone ntarata.
Obo bona ayo go chako goso ki gari no nyo ngo biara ta bara go chienza go se ngandu te family
na bongo kwana kenda gionsi asemukane. You don't have a right
to go to I have nothing to lose in this. Don't you know what come out of baby?
Jongake.
Go walk out your jari.
Jongake.
Ah, yeah. O go to no mako yo go. Ah,
o go tabano kwe barakini abantu.
Jega to go tevi. Mo bantu ngabere kenyo mo abere go singa aquí.
No te tendiri nae. No, tigambo, no te tendiri nae.
O ta don sarreti. Ndiri nae ngaki.
No mata na bonko mungu mmoja. E wiki yo kaiga kwa wiki yo kaiga be balimo.
Ono no choboro kigwa chakire. Tata chiko tinjirense, chiko bugata no na barogi.
Ko tikio ta kongera kwa bere balimo.
Chiko tinjirense ya bantu bago koira.
Sikaba antu kwa manyango go chesera.
Tata aso monta greta to kuma nyibi ndanga biro motu one.
Kwa manyango go chesera mungu mmoja kwa manyango go chesera.
Tiago ndaka igonche na inde. Tiago ndaka. Onyo ko tata ko kungo kura mage ga bantu bachiche.
Okuleki.
Ngano to
ko ankwao.
Ankwao gae.
Uko cha kutoma tindo goro yoro sana imena rote tekoli. Nyenchara yako nyari by friend work hard genda kore konda gore ndage roragere
atoko work hard yo sono no insa tio begete no ngali kago ngamo ya ogintoki
ya
fadali nje ngore matingo ngora no marembe ayenki ore o toko na kwesaria abantu
to buka mana mwage ngate kerebia kagenda sa inde bina mukungu na aligi mukungu ntagete mago nyago sona na inde
kerebia kagenda use kwara gocha kwatinda kwara gabu usina ro tanga stiki nyirunje nate
okay karona ira ne nyomba ngwatete ndale
go chakwarara basa kuno muntu tabwa tu mukungu
igombo ke botu konya komnyoka
na kyota nyu mereti ba go sinyire
buse mo sareri
go sareri ku gentoki wano baka
ya turubena mukane isanche tancha mwanche
kwanza kwa ngiyo iri tikanda ndante bi mugakori ago chako ngiri chinda rwe bakobe
njeno muntu mai thinking kolete family eri nganje to ready I know what I've done ordinary nkonywa manane moja kukumi.
Wando chene kene tata no muntu yo anje ta ya ba Tanzania.
Ba Tanzania ki? Obugeta to komnyo kaiga to le bosa.
Na ri to gweta ga Tanzania. Kama chiko kwero no boro ki kwa chira.
Ya no wete amate ye ga ganto ba maete bina mure. Go ikomonto bwe kundekero menya bia. My friend endo o sona nen o matani yani gwansara le sokora turubena kwa tamapi. Ngomere nere. Kwa bere balimo. Tigangende.
Gora tigana ko bodirende.
Omboriki.
Wano te ko serious mono ko bantu no mako gamba. Wano has mora ko monte se yo tiga ko sempre to ko kwana ko sai ko to agora.
Ngito kwana ki.
Wano mo ko chikoro ka bantu. Ota to jo ke buna nyata ora ko ka banta ka
tiga ne pimu ngomoja tiga ne pi.
Okay nda no mo ke tiga chako kutwara mana ye mesira.
Yani no asembwate nipo yana iga mwigwete ndamwamu. Ngikwatyo tebyo ndanya ngane meten koni meten
oso no ndanyo ta kan tebinga kwari ngimete yo bagaro goro mwara tete konerani njina na manyire kende
nje ko bagana ende mete na yana ya mubagi mete yana nero muko igwenda mwamu karo
ya mubagi ne ya
yangu
mete ya mubagi ngaki ka be ya
mubagi kwa maite mwaso mete nere
nje
ke gori kia olenge
mubagi no muga ka buna bagoteba nje no musio
kwa morocha ko tanga no muga kwa morocha mubagi ke gori kia ne
bona ko eteme ke gori bono na mona no re mubagi no mona so re
okay kera chita America mete ngole go sano echimbori nchiri
bona kibono ora serji o kande kiti che kyabando sere o chinyeni chiko ba chao
yani go tu mete oni o se meke menga meke yani ebina bibi tena mbwato mongo mama ite frustration
kana ko kwa ngemete no le ga yani bona karo ya ka Tanzania ka kwene ni yote ko ko le bintu bia oni bintu bia bantu ne bia
go tuera mukane mete to chikwaga cho ko no ko ni mete
mukagoro
mbale ngambwata na bongo bwe kaine ese njeno ya mbwata
mukaonkera byo to kiro ndo muri
kerabyo kwete
ta kweti omoitete
tigago mpimo bongo mungu maja tigago mpimo bongo
mate bono ngo chakota bande kanu sambu
osambuki
uchakota bande kanu sambu ke
ngo samba
ngo sambu ore anye kerebi ga kwete anu na chete kiri chonde to yo manyete iko kwa mubwati tiko chikiri choka mubekira mario ga yao
finally. Oh yeah, sorry. tunaomba msamaha kakia bantu baitu tuwabere twatebetenga sambiria kora kinene 2 hours later. It's more of an African story.
In fact, 10 minutes.
By the way, nyumantana chaka kwa serious no bwana na kale hiyo mwanzo kina ajire saa hii na mayoja saa ikaguma ajire saa hii saa moja na mako oika saa 8.
Tiana kate maita no moka kole.
Aralia. Mokarali.
Miaka. Kato akaende.
Okyondo.
I say I'm telling you the truth. Kato akaende. Wa dire bagre koliga. Kwa wali ndru ligena. Kwa sungusiga kwa ruta. Ya kalibati dio mwesekinga. Pa! So
Pa!
Igoro. Kirungu chigo.
Una yora ka pe gurenga.
Ting. Isega sanga hai.
Nikia. Ori gyora
sa. Igoro takabere ikondo chende.
Enara per time management.
Igoro talimo. Oje wansa igande kare. Igoro takara gatato.
Okay. Nyakia koruma yanga ki raundi mokera chinta bonjiro.
Encoded language. Ama itinga igoro talimo. Ono ara saiga. Igoro takabere.
Roje ba.
Igoro takatato. Tikato mera nema.
Okay. Nyakia koruma yanga gatato tirgojo. Liara don tirgojo.
We kata repi. Ama ko mekedezi.
Okay, we come get this after some time. Kera go corta kore isko muavo o te kore isko kore.
Kero o kori, mai te kori erega ko tiri mo kege nyomberega. O ke distance o sta bo atu ko rutanga tin 1. Igo agera ni monga ke minute.
No jema denga.
No jema denga. Ngor ngor dalimo. Nyora saiga.
Limo narura na chire.
Chira chire. Tingba di biashara ga.
Ngino na kagarra wana yene niwe.
Ingor da kabere. Nyora roje. Ingor da katato. Tikato mera na mambi ga ki na jenata mananga nyeri yak.
I'm qualified to be called a patient human.
So these things patience here ga kwaro ter kabere ngando nyore roche isa kwaro ta kabere kwa korere ga aswa dir mugirero
Roche ma.
We ka roche soko tata kwa
Koto. Kwa vere.
O maite muna liga na liaka isero manyana maite ine sigino o momende gas
na madenga ni manyete karama kana rutirungo choro kwa soka
o momende gas ina na ya talia no momende gas. So you have to be patient, Roche. Okay, for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours.
Bro.
In most cases,
Bro, 3 hours.
The other day we used to wait for 6 hours.
Like you spend half of your day waiting.
No, did one 3 hours, quarter city. Did one so kiriga. Okomera na mojumbe kokoge? Kokogenda.
Mojumbe linga seke.
Mojumbe no moto to a village okomera ki mojumbe ngakimbiye kokoge?
Kogen.
Era ko mo ko komera mambi wana mo kuma na kinga kokanya tochi. Ma o de na tripo que te komera mojumbe ngatire.
Hey!
It means 2 minutes when you left.
Has taught me a lesson right up. Madra Senge. Gana bo su kaiga iganto kwa kanye tege.
It was kaiga. Maliga. So
you are the 6 hours boys.
sorry for keeping you waiting for hours.
Yeah, sure, bro.
It's been 2 hours. But also those are 2 heavy minutes.
Very, very heavy.
Pregnant minutes.
Heavy. It's okay. Heavy na pregnant.
30 seconds can make a woman pregnant.
So you don't call them 30 heavy pregnant minutes. You call them 30 minutes What pregnant? Huh? No, that's second pregnant. But then I think what makes us wait more in Africa, we are sorry for those who are not in Africa. We love you, our friends and fans from the US and outside Kenya. But what makes us wait? What makes us even...
Don't say outside Kenya. We have a city known as Riyadh.
Riyadh, it's in the Saudi.
Yeah, in Saudi Arabia or South Africa.
It's a... Ukisikia kitu inaanza na south.
South Pole was South Africa.
South Arabia. Acha nikufunze. Ukifika south wenda D. Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, thank you so much. Qatar, thank you so much.
People are Dubai, Abu Dhabi.
Dubs. Karibu sana. Kuna watu wa Mexico. Yesterday I received a call
from Mexico.
Omogusi, Mexico. Akondenga bana ba ukwane ke Spanish. So all over the world, what I want to go South Africa, South Australia, and then South Sudan, the what I want to go
South
Canada, Nakada. Canada, they have Nakada. Ube Nakada, they are right.
God forgive us. It's okay, it's okay, bro.
Nakada, Canada. Welcome, everybody. So,
what?
What's up?
Nakada, guys. Nakada. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, my day symbol ya flag ya Canada. What do you get the English as well? Abali.
Dili rabu flag ya kaya Bwari. Oneriga arna bengenya soro kanja make. Jamaica ki flag ya we. Chikala babu ata.
So, welcome on board.
Congratulations. Canada. There are two and one thing.
So, do you have quorum? We start right away.
Yeah, we have quorum. We can start right now because, of course, my brother is supposed to be in another meeting right now. Guys, we were promised to have an issue some TV, but well, Okion has given reasons that I don't want to go into. Chiko gara tukumanya niki tuachare.
We've been here from 6 p.m.
Network.
I think we need to upgrade our network, our internet. You know, what we can afford is what we give you. No, internet ya tusumbuire.
Tuanyero ka 20 Mbps bacha vado karinga go. We got that. Now that we got 11.
No, I want to talk on the internet. You know, you never know.
By the way,
but
internet is muhimu.
To start, you need to introduce yourself.
Oh, myself.
Yes.
Hello. Mchekuru kusoro the actor. Maria Tayande, Kibanda Kagotumeka. And then Yasa Otobiri. But I'm so happy today. And then to discuss here the state of Kisii. Not Kisii County, but Kisii, which means Nyamira na Kisii. And we have a lot more that we need to share. And even today, interesting, entertaining, insightful. So I'm happy to have you. Or
you cannot have me. I'm not
haveable.
We belong to the same gender. You cannot have me.
No, bro, I can have you.
Yeah,
differently.
It can't happen. You
cannot have me.
I know. If you are targeted, I have you. So,
now I introduce my friend and of the same gender, in this case, my friend and colleague.
Let me introduce myself. Yeah, my name is Matoke. Ngoro Matoke.
Mato.
Huntington. Oyo nyabuto no tinega tinego moroga. Jeno Mogotu, Omo Samaro. We eat a lot of food because we think.
Because you think food is the only thing.
No. We have the highest IQ in Bushland. Samaro.
Go to yourself. Samaro. The only thing we know about Samaro ni ndagera.
Ntoma itaba Samaro bagetutu nabo bantu bakolengera ebwango. We know abanchawali nabo bantu aboba.
Anjali mbabuga ati bwoba n'ekindi bakinkendu. Onjali abanyanya utinza.
Ntoma ite bo basi nere go produce abakungu. Yani good wives. Babasi.
Agora tô ya bande genge na.
Bobasi, if you get a woman from Bobasi, you are a blessed man.
But I go to see na base.
Bobasi no ko nyora bakungu abaya.
Madenga de mukana no mobasi.
No kwa nyombe. But now on a serious note, it's not a very good day for me.
It is not for me either. That's part of the reason we've been late now.
Those who've been following us, a few, it can't be weeks, like 2 weeks ago, before Christmas, we covered a story to a certain woman, Musubati gete korubonchari, asakarunga buyakumu Jacqueline Aveva, watu mwana or disabled, umano kuruku Albert. Tokamuruka Kerema.
Senge na die na akoranga wekenyo.
We were corrected that you shouldn't label a disabled person as Kerema. Now Albert is the son of Jackie, who is 17 years old. Jackie had issues. If you don't understand this story, you can go to our previous videos on Facebook or on YouTube. You will follow the story clearly. Jackie Gawatobokongu, we did her cover story. Togachake fundraising yoko mwagachere nyomba, which we have to take this chance to thank many of you for coming through, supporting. Bantoma siringi 10, abantu bakatuma siringi 10,000, abantu batumeli. Those small and big contributions to enable kwagachero musubati wali na bana ba enyomba. Yesterday we had a volunteer group for a million hugs from Kisii town.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys for that.
Many other volunteers to genda bakase kenyero kyabu yakumu kome nyomba yagora kwenye yagacho. To kome nyomba to akora bya. We finished at around 6-7 marawa.
So mundu na kwa ruto since Sunday.
That is so tired and career like that conta that was no can.
Yeah, on a serious note, in the Virako Buni.
So Ngasanyo Mbanga Muka. Today morning I had an invitation with Chiganyanga, Kunyanga youth group. They have some programs background. At 9 I was there to advise them and talk to them on a few things I have knowledge about. And then I received a call. Musubati Mwavo Jacqueline.
Nina Albert.
Who are a needy case. Gakorera. Agamtevina Gakininju. Umwana Albert, Ntoma ito sega asiri.
Yeah, don't have the part.
I received a call. Kuras Musubati Mwavo Jacqueline Nogoroku. What is the name?
It's okay.
Gladys.
Gladys.
Untenga Kininju. Umano Ntoma ito sega asiri. So I had to wind up Kureki on Begari. Before I wind it up, like 10 minutes later, the same number called me and they have confirmed Albert is no more. You know, that was a shock. There was like, we were there yesterday, yeah, normal life. Okay, not as sickly, but
it's not like news week.
Yeah.
It's not news like yeah.
Nas ni work at Jacqueline maybe a few minutes now I informed they are at Nyangena Hospital, Nyangena Morgue. I rushed to the morgue. I saw the kid. The boy was cold. And they preserved him at Nyangena mortuary. I talked to the mother briefly now. What happened? No more duty. Romano retire tawate capability yo kugenda cho gagwe bekere cho oklini omwana omuchinjeri chianga omubeka the sitting room mwisarasa oro sie chae kere chae abate to ko omwana chae omwana motevi mama ntaite ko mochele
okay
ngino beko mochele riko mochele ko to omwana ri motevi na arosire ntaite ko timokake Chero oyora obeke sanyo nyokendi kero baredi wenda kuyo mwana achikoli omocha mochera kera ike bedroom gari userumi omwana onyoro mwana osokire liuro gago strain
usiba konyero kama sombo huko.
That is how easy Amaisha Albert. Just simple as that.
Oh.
It is a 2-bedroom house, a 2-room house, and a sitting room. Morango go soero, ne Morango go soe bedroom ever. Nechi dirisha evere chero, nechi dirisha evere bedroom. 4 dirishas, 3 doors. Even though we go to the other, we help us to make Morango nechi dirisha. But now the boy is no more. He's resting in a morgue. Tima thinking of one, but that case and many more, we see at a very delicate angle. Tima think what should follow. So we invite you all our viewers. That is not the only thing we are going to talk about. Death is so natural. All of us will die one day.
Okay, bro.
But kuna mali nafika unasema death should have waited a little bit, even 1 minute longer, or 1 hour, or 1 day, or 1 year. But the word powers Jogo question death. May the soul of Albert rest in eternal peace, and may God see through that family through these hard times. What an amen.
Amen.
So I see. I mean, don't be driving mwana sagini. I don't know.
Before that, I would like us to really. Personally, I'm affected. Karo ukiona leo kwa story, he came and talked to me. Akachaga ndevinga musibate nara onkwanira matuka mange. Ngakitokora. Ndote tigato banga tuchitoa tokore story ya. Nanda akachaga ironire ngakiyaya. Doikunyo kubanga mono musibate ile story akwanira koranga we need it. Hata kama ni Christmas time. We did that story around Christmas time. And it's around the time to arengo chukokora a launch movie to akora recently called Black Blue. And of course we appreciate INKA TV so ko enable no any live way no ko enable live ya Black Blue. Tokagenda gari bogya kum, and what I saw personally was like nega sienkong abantu tubwate chishida lakini chishida jiro chukumiro kwa ranga ki afadhali bunanchi bunamenyete wono garto achite gari oja jaki kwanza hatario tariboya ase sobo asa iboretu amenyete mwe anko yago se kazi ni haya probably kamenyeta sangao wono kinyumba
no amenyete pati nyumbeli ya chakirito
and then jaki now through the efforts of Okiondo and we pushing this agenda abantu bachire kurusiko abantu barabara se group kunga supporting Jackie's family abantu ba support and then we got to a chance to kunyara kwa gache nyumba ya Bekuru 1,000,000 hugs through Jairus Kibagendi twachire gari abantu twamire nyumba. It was a beautiful thing and we were really looking forward to making Albert smile. Was at work as a moment to get out of the unfortunately, Igoro Sunday. For those who are in East Africa, they know that we are on Monday, Sambili, Sanena 22. So jana, jioni late kabisa. Na leo wanduwaru etegari bogiakumu. Wakaenda chinsomo. Then today in the morning, it is not easy. It's not easy to the family. The mother has been with the Muswati Olijaki Otamiruna Musacho Mutangani Yokabere Senge Jumwan or are disabled. Madonna Dabeke on the tang correct care at the medic, Stingana Tan Puja was Ritandamuruke. More disabled, so what a cerebral palsy na autism at the same time with living everywhere. So it was not easy for Jackie. Gotamuna was at a or more. And now I wake up already over no one working like me. It's not easy. Again to take it at the end of the day, Necrantona or Albert, that lady is a heroine. Most what you're doing, heroine. And I still encourage that. Among the many sad stories to Onyamora Kurugusi, hopefully we can still find time in our lives to focus our directions to Jackie's family, to more support during this time. I got to all the help that she may deserve for the rest of the kids. I'm back now, William.
Yeah, William.
Yeah, now what I want to. It is a disturbing story, honestly. Kagate na mkoanda si platform chetu muri na tuakora the story ya Kelema kirara moyo na then tuakora RIP leo. Well. We had to start with that na nagiyato buna tuanyorwa among other things.
So I will excuse myself shortly. Not a little bit and then I'll be back.
Sasa, I appreciate you for even allowing yourself to come on this show after all that struggle.
Welcome.
Sasa, and make sure you switch off your mic. Yes. I got to story ya Jackie na mwana Albert. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Wana na watoko sasa manganande aliaringe scheduled for today. Guys, msitoke kwa live so that tuandere kwa mangana. In short, mangana tuanyora mange sana. Actually, by the arrangement kukwanire the state of Gusii. State of Gusii. Asa bari mumanyete mukufuatilia mitandao na online na onye mainstream media. mumanye tenga ki twatwarire ile dalili ya mono ase amangana news chikurugusi. There's not a positive news. There's not a positive piece of news ya rulegusi warning for the past, I don't know how long, for the past 3, 4, 5 weeks. Among them, extraordinary kurukunga umwana uri kurugusagini akachaga kona rwa maiso. Who does that? Who does that, for heaven's sake? Gozi explanation kiora arwekero koru sio mwana maiso. Who does that? Okay, what can explain kurusio mwana maiso? Okay. Tukaja tukaunga ki somewhere in the hills of Kisii. Omonto omosubati. Ogati kuno mosacho, ego so ogati kuno monto bale ko twara obwanje nenere. Karachire muaye. Agati wakamoroma. Anda morome dimunu, chimi na to cha twakisa ni anakinda morome dimunu. Akamoroma sangao. Nantaro metiatiko. Akaroma akaruzia kabega kando. Timbu ati evidence lakini ndio story ya whatever. That's the report we have from even the mainstream media and the stories you've been watching online. Terre diago. 2 days ago, omonto kuru mbiya ko tebe director na mama ndego mbiya ko tebe chi mangana ya sape ne ko sentige mbiya ko tebe ko sentige ono ikike tangani bibi zake ni kero modo na mata sikia penalty ikiye transformer rumba sichirenga transformer mineti kintu kikiaro mitu kiruzu tabenga nyanchwa usimenyi kwa usasinga igora kinnerusiri. Halafu 2 days ago, a man kills his 2 kids. Mosacha agaita bana bae babiri. Okay, so far twanyore news chikota banga mwa koli musacha olizo mwa koli ustato yo na bwate mental instability. That I haven't confirmed, and it's not interesting in this story. We have not come here to discuss these mental issues. We are discussing the ugly stories that are coming from our region. After that, before that, in Onyamora, where I come from, unfortunately, where I come from, Onyamora is safe at this time around, but it's not as safe as well. So we are talking about the state of Kisii. In Onyamora, a lady called someone to his house. Those who are watching and they don't understand Kisii, you can forgive me. So I'm going to go locally. Retraka chena ntindu bito bikebitari kubikargo tusalia marita skogani gera njingwa garuji simyabo na mokarega omusacha okoimoka okoranga uno musubati ande nyigwete no nyagitari okarego sine naso ziki nganjurende una tokara na toto twakora kawaida kumbe na mpaka bwade shida ruma hazit abantu ba chitenda bale kurwanira abantu batanga is a love triangle. Lakini musacho akakenywa pakara kola the obe to form alini nyomba aliata ati. And the woman left and ran away singing elitukulio mwalio tilia wasigari waje tukulio nkiki go kore kana Kisii. What's happening with us? Nkiki kendrete tali gorio igoro rende igora ibintu biri bya penalty igora na David Kongsana na David Queen bolo bimifugo animals that tokobekanga igenda kemo umuntu musacha tumate usaga chatiku akaimoka akagenda akanacha munyama yani ng'ombe yo munyene kanyina cha chinsemo chansonika Akatiga ng'ombe ndekao. Kikusikia motivated. What was the motivation? Alafu kiandikia mwalikia minyama kilinga umusacha akateba director allow me to say this. Umusacha akateba ngondi ya muligereti na sexy eyes. Ngondi ngena bego tuara sexy eyes. It's interesting. I think the most weird, interesting story. Ngondi na bego kire ku erigelu musacha interesting eyes akanye tumeka bake karasa wakoranga ndega tugutira segete ngondi etrika yana sai na ndo konyera buchari kera ye story aya manyikani na ndo konyekora in short ikire jangre ki ajire gusi ketari nomo ikire jagete kibi nkitimbo at solution, but I can't afford to give a blind eye. Nchikuno soro tingunyara go afford to give a blind eye. Anye munyore tekero na jagete go act. Some of the things that are kora cherenge ugly. Not ugly because I entertain ugly stories, but ugly because I wanted to put out or reflect the ugliest stories. Chuguma weito che society to. It's not the first time we go monto umusacha waki unemboli go sengombe go sengondi lakini ngondi bona na igwe daro. Ngondi ne watu mukera okay tukabangana mange lakini it's not something to laugh about at all. Ndekete mo ndre konte biga ngosoma ri comment cheno just now. Mo ndre konte bi nkizo to kore torangeli abagambi bayizo bakore gas muno ostusabenya saya to konye ose what's happening to us because mambi ndi ntuko batorele klaro nyasaye yo totongete na bintu bindi to amine tigore ya universe and stuff nko getire angry with us. Yani ko get really ko batore we are draining ourselves or our societies to we drive to a place where we can be worked out because onya sao kete Sodom na Gomorrah onya no ile tare ko Sodom ile ko that's a bad and disgusting thing but ko tumeka ngondi rena ngike ngeto ikire won korozio mwana maisorende timai tibu yanga kitoko kwana kinaranga jomsani okwani zenga jomsani ni wa Msanii Records akatabanga lakini sio kwa ubaya omonto naite ngondi boli nganero taumie just thinking okay nero taumie thanks comment jira chinyingi ngiko soma sai but honestly speaking the most of the comments I'm going to read and most of what I want you to reply with even the binanenda demo kwanere sai kera to anyoru na ndiri kuti take a lot of time nkiro takere prayers was to nki ayora ngara to takere to sabe only to ke stadium ga Kustuanda na Onyamira itunura alimanga. Totabe Nyasaye tu avere. Nyasaye astuachire ronga akitoro to irani. Because it's not good at all. We are toko trend bana, toko trend nationwide. Nationwide toko trend now even I have friends and colleagues who are struggling in the industry like I do. But thank you, babe. People, you're making me niacha kustruggle kwa sababu it's not as was as it was last year na ende mo tigira ngabo. Wana karatoka ndakute kama ndu bado kunkwana na nguru Uganda. I have people who are on my level in Uganda, people in Tanzania. people all over. Na ngene Nairobi moisonde. Nkike gotori. Nkike kugera ekarumu ntakarengeri mugusi akana ligendegere. Turangira ni geti getiga to sabe go twangane e okorosaro se tu buena to kandaka. What is wrong? Aya, tiana kona comment chiregega. Togenda to kwa twarura tambe Elijah Okeyo nara kwa Beatrice ke muntu agatabanga eriko mukenya David same here ga kininki kiabere gusi Philipson pole kwa Jackie pole story yetu akona mapema ya Jackie. I think you have been following story ya Jackie na mwana ule kwa Albert, rest in peace. That's what Beatrice is talking about. Oh, Phillips nakia kwanda Douglas Sibota evidence, good evidence. Oh, Sibota na Kuru tuko pamoja. Korua Nyamweture ko present, why not really? Nyamweture ko ga boni mbwata abairi ororo onye ko maeto gisora bakwani okubanyora mambi. Caroline Maiso akorotenga pole kwa familia. We really need serious prayers and fasting pia tukemee ipepo chafu ya LGBTQ ikofia mbali. Hiyo ni maoni ya Ana Nyanchama. Dan Giver, pole sana kwa familia Osoro na wapenda sana, thank you. Boniface Mwabora, the government should face Kisii County. Fence. The government should face Kisii County. Mwibota mwana ngatogiteu Mroch o Mwabora tali mugusi. Mwabora is okay, thank you for contributing to this show, but well, we be fenced off. Like tukwe quarantine to be quarantine ala Ronald Mayeka. This is a you see these people saying this is a crime scene. All right, when Frida Kemundo, it's too painful. Watch rest in peace. Oh, thank you. That's about Albert. El Kiopa na kuona Warangamukua, they need prayers. Mr. Osoro Mbia Akoba Tevia Aye Mbia Mono Dorothy Nyavokia. Actually Kisii needs prayers. We even getting hard times from our workmates Kejeli too. Yeah, it feels bad. Nyavokia Dorothy na kufeel Saudi iko wapi? Saudi iko wapi? Anamasha Saudi iko wapi? Prayers. That's from Dinax Bwari. Cleopa na kuona tena Enjoroisha. Our county needs prayers, including Kisii as Omogusie Oingimam. Tunafaa kuombea pepo mbaya. Let pastors arrange for fasting week so that we can help our counties. Dolphin anasema kabisa tunahitaji maombi. Sure, Kisii needs prayers. Basiririye tare to yakurukunga. Eduardo nero tebanga tutekira masabo. Alafu Kilifu tebanga basiririye tare to. Ronald Mayega tanga gusi tutekira masabo tigoborogi. John tebanga tutekira masabo. Fires bright agora tanga Kisii County ga kigoma kalikotoira kisore amos agora tanga kabisa tutakira masabu jo musani agora tanga ngondi piga ake ngondi alonje banyara agora tanga alifel anjete ngondi no mondo kanyanyire chingondi buchiri akanyora wanjire chingondi wata nyamuya tebanga Nyasaye tato tigera togo Nyasaye togo tigera Cliff Juma go tebanga Nyasaye nato konye jonte na andi no are ga Stella nyabonya go tebanga Nyasaye tigato konye agichi komende ni nyingi tikunyara soma Jonsi igara junior ndo chimbona ikire nere atenga gusi imetuharibia jina sana. Gusi to sabe mono gusi. Okay, anyway. Asenge jetu atabe to kuchaka mapema na lijiza cherire. Tinda jembute ga mono. We'll do this in a better way another time. Integete kwanza turateba iga tumunyoke gab to share content to teba ni ekene. Inki, what's missing? What do we want? What's needed of us? A prayer. Kusotozo ebi boko doli ebi boko bali tutarasa reka maybe me ikanere kale kusalia abantu. Itaratu ikira bali tutarasa reka toli ebi boko toso emekima tuitane kusituchaka ukwane Kiswahili tukugamba mangana wabe. Nanda abantu mbaraba by the way. Ngokoba kwaso ametu Kisongo na ndo maito ukwane Kiswahili. Bona mangana yetu na tanga I'm not proud to be Kisii because of this and this and this. Atoriko konya. Ima ta abantu mbaraba ko wachi ke batali ba Kisii. Akitingo nyakuba sumeranga njaka kukwana I'm not proud. Tini proud njiraki. Na ayenki kunya ko post living TV inge bikotor. Lakini adenga talinga anta ketenga tobise tandra komaba be. Yawansa gerada yatenga ki. Lilienga kelibu na bagimbisi. Eto itetu tukarukwa bagimbisi tukamenya chiema. Abantu bakachaka kuturamanga ngatu anyoma ndire chiema ime nini na banyoma na bao. Lakini na ino mukonyoma. Mugosoka. So Inkia yakonya kutangazira n'ebizwali n'ebigusigo kisikali kurangiri citizen yo kurangiri inono kurangiri bakabantu bandi bakocha kunya kukaba je story kitu tutakori ino na sama yo buna ndizi TV tura tebe story yitu twatanga INKA TV kintu kyaberega INKA TV kintu kyaberega kintu kyabere ntu tukwana ntuke twakwane kigusigo twatebani twagorrano aya kulingana naye njirengere tora akore tupunguse to be part of the solution to what is happening right now. Thank you. Asoka bera na inchi tena saba seni ntubange ngende kebeki ya mambi inde tutangasa naende. I want to pass my appreciation na kokone uchiasa abantu ba INKA TV asinge joko bera na intu and bagerenga tu amere live rero Nota Studios injenguru kusoro the actor na letika to tungangane na ande bangana to kona mangana liyo mwana uliosira abanyale ku to contribute ko get in touch na mukurigiria se muko namba ne ndatiko baboniga imura get in touch muso se group genda to ko bana sema tanga na group ili ya ko contribute na ko konyo mwana familia ya jaki nambe you get 0725 0725 440 782 0725 440 782 na bokora swaga bu contact nambe na ko anyo ko contribute na ko riete takero ina bena ko guide in fact ina ba yokondo for those who will be interested to know. Thank you so much. Na producer yane rekoro kunga Logan koro kuwezi lakini ngosi mikumoroka hiyo alafu fundi wetu wa mitambo hapa mbele njunjunjo wa saluteri kana ni wa wangire tanje timanga na kamera yasa nomia and guys tikatobwata namo to agata ne like not necessarily about keeping secret, but there's no good that comes out of spilling our dirty beans or airing our dirty linen in the public. Kenya Sato Konye, and God bless you. Until next time. Nyasai Nomia. Jemo.
Toko sereriga mubagio yote ketoko tabangarwe oni mete ya bono nene
mete mubagera weta mbugondo mutana ngono yomo
mete ne tabo ko senkwa mubagire onye wasimi ke toka we konde ko biya
konda nje na ngara konda bandiga why look like a konda man nje
aye tata Sawa tu bana to chetu waka kono.
Konda ki.
To chetu ro.
Yani kwenda ogwe kono ngane konda irinde ngege. Ogine kono na chete. Jina wango bwe kaine.
Tikikara bio kono ando tiko boroki. Kande kaniso saberu. Kande kanisa saberu. Pas de seki eringo sabare bire tebia soka. Ibinte bingo koite biro koromoke. Okobuti aro ate koku. Tubati bina nyata kwete. Moro gege ata. Ngoma ate usengo kwari.
Mokoro monta kireta sakirete mwaranga ne fara tamo. Iko bona no muti chonde tima itike ntongo kora.
Oma de to kora utasme ke mete kwa osme ka kwa mo bai. Oko tu ya mo bai. Ntaka urande kana onje tikango kani. Mwangengereri sane kenyoreke.
Iko totie mane toligani.
Mwangengereri sane kenyoreke.
Totie mane toligani.
Tie mae. Jogo kwanda na sapa.
Toligani. Mero mama. Toligani. Toligani.
No mo tonga sama sapa.
Okay, toligani.
Kwanda sama sapa se kiria usaba.
Toligani. Personally toligani nchonae. Tia nenga ntike kerege ntongo kora. Ntika no entru beno imotike. Toligani nae.
Ah, tika mangana mangeta to kore bintu bia.
Toligani nae.
Kara mangane bintu kore bintu bia onjita etubanga nae. Kara bintu bia. Kara bintu bia konche no ga keme de amu wa kara minuta ke tenji tinu.
Na utigire. Onchokana na tangasa kerege ntotaite. Okongya kobimba. Tondigi.
Aye.
Okongya kobimba tondigi.
Aye. Chike tongo kwa na tata.
Yes, it's okay. Okongya kobimba. Okongya kobimba
tondigi. Tongo chuko kwana. Chike tongo chuko kwana.
Kobore morito.
Ose kwanda mari nake.
Kobore morito. Obiare muno mukungu. Ntie mae.
Biare rara linji.
Ntie mae.
Ngango biare.
Kobore morito biare muno mukungu. Nje na kwana. Ntieme.
Ntieme bana na.
Ntieme.
Kunga te bia.
Ntieme mae.
Tiko kwana mangana mo bai. Onye tu bano yota kete.
Na tigire kerege nto tigandi na ibune example kenyoreke. Kobore morito iga. Obiare muno mukungu. Oiro maternity. Ganya. Ganya.
Paka kono tigete bi de. Ngano mo chaka kwa. Gona mainga no ta keto to mirongite.
Ganya. Ganya.
Tata.
Tiniko discuss na ikende. Ganya. Tikatoka nyere moto. Sawa?
Okano njira atikira
mbele.
Ntimo to katikira mangana mange.
Toka nyere Supreme Court. Toka nyere moto.
Omo to katikira mangana mange njitala beka petition.
Ntia untieme.
Njira atikira mangana mange.
Untieme nje.
Sawa njira atikira mangana mange.
Ngasenko ya no beke to munu.
Sawa na atikira mangana mange.
It's okay.
Na igure na.
Tikatoka nyere yani to ndigi.
Tuna basani bana atikira mangana mange.
Yes, mkonyo gerode. Kenanda kwaba.